What is up, chefs, foodies, students, instructors? Welcome to Everybody Knows. My name is Anders and I'm so glad that you're here. This channel is dedicated to the Universal Aroma Wheel project, as well as how this tool is used and how we think about the language of smell and food. I would say go ahead and have a look at the playlists. You might find a topic that interests you, and you'll see a bunch of different ways to use the Universal Aroma Wheel. This is a massive aroma wheel that does not center on a product. It just has every feasible food-based aroma that could exist. If you are a chef or student or foodie or instructor and you have interest in using this for you or your organization, there are digital copies available for purchase if you click the link at the top of the channel. And if you're at all interested in collaborating with me, my email is also available in the description of this page. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this brings value to you, and if so, I'd love to know about it. Thanks so much. Bye.